Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek. Hope you are doing good and you are safe. In this pandemic situation, situations are not good and please take care yourself. Now, I am Abhishek Tilawat and I have Monica Sharma with me. We are here to launch our new channel called Monica's Commerce Studio. So, what we have in this channel for you, what is beneficial, and what new thing which we are bringing for you or for your beneficial. Before going ahead on this, let me introduce myself. I am Abhishek Tilawat. I am working in a Leaker Gann company called Diageo Business Services as a financial controller. Also, I am guest faculty in Bangalore in many colleges like BGS. Apart from that, I do visit as a guest teacher in Mysore. So, and Monica Sharma, she also teaches commerce student at various level, 11th, 12th, graduation, and students who are pursuing her, uh, commerce exams. So what we have, so we came across with many students that they are facing very much difficulties or they are not able to understand what their teacher wants to convey since they are not taking the online personal face-to-face classes and they are more into the online classes. So what is the big challenge which comes? The first thing is the communication. Second thing is the understanding. Teacher thinks that you are understanding the way he teaches. Since you are not facing him and you are not seeing his facial reaction, this is the big problem which every student is facing. So, what we have for you to come over all these issues, we have simplified method of teaching. Monica, who will be teacher for commerce subjects like accounts, economics, she will be teaching in an easy way so that at sitting your home in a comfortable zone at your home in any of city you can access our classes, you can understand, you can raise your queries, we will resolve them as soon as possible with correct answers, and obviously we will try to explain as much as we can. Now, when I say that we will try to explain as much as we can, in which in this process what we do, we understand what is your requirement, all right, and we deliver our speeches, we explain in easy way so that you can understand and you can perform best in your exams. So these classes are beneficial for every commerce student, whether they are in 11th, they are in 12th, they are pursuing their graduations, all right, for CPT students, or for students who are pursuing or who are attempting their exams in let's say in accounts or RPSC or first grade, second grade, uh, whatever comes for their commerce related subjects. Yeah. So please tune on and wait for our new classes, new videos. In the upcoming videos, we'll start teaching and we'll provide our lectures. Over to Monica Sharma.
Hello
So Monica
friends.
Sharma, please tell us how you are going to teach differently than other teachers and how it is useful for all students. How कैसे वो एडवांटेज ले सकते हैं आपके वीडियो से.
Hello friends. Hello guys. वेलकम टू आवर चैनल मोनिकास कॉमर्स स्टूडियो. मैं मोनिका शर्मा आप सभी लोगों को करवाने वाली हूँ कॉमर्स रिलेटेड सभी एग्ज़ाम्स के प्रिपरेशन. मैं उसमें आपको कॉमर्स रिलेटेड सभी एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए स्टडी मटेरियल अवेलेबल करवाऊँगी. उसमें आपको इजी वे में सिंपल मेथड एंड एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड सभी पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे आपको. सो गाइज प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.